I don't know. I'll have a look at that later. Wow. Been a while. Okay, so finally out of lockdown. It's a pretty sick day. It's really hot. Got my front bumper shipped from America, from KBD. So I'm gonna leave it in the sun for the whole day. We're gonna go for a cruise, and then I'll come back in the afternoon and I'll put it on. So it's polyurethane, the front bumper, so it needs some heat for the memory agent. I'll leave it here in the sun. We're gonna go for a cruise. Hello. Yeah. And then I'll come back in the afternoon and put it on. Drill the license plate bracket in because it's illegal not to have a license plate on the front bumper. And also need to book it to get painted. That is gonna be the last images we see of that stock bumper. I don't mind it. I didn't like it at first, but definitely grew. It just needs something. I'm gonna meet at Mono's place. Yeah. See you there. Yeah. Wow. Oh, this color is mad. What are the wheels? Of what? Oh, the wheels are sick. Kinda reminds me a little bit of the Lancer, the wheels.
Yeah.
Like the little chrome dish.
If only they were white.
Wait, is it running?
Yeah.
Mate! That's... This is sick.
There's least checkpoint on that way. That went out for a drive. But the only reason I'm allowed to drive this is if I'm taking it to get it
Oh, really?
prepared for registration.
Oh, it hasn't been registered.
No.
Okay. Looking clean. Oh, what happened to your wheels? Sad times. Who's helping me with my car tonight? Who's it gonna be?
I got nothing on.
Whoa!
What are you doing with your car?
Put my bumper on.
Oh, help.
Fuck
Why
yeah.
did you just bring it to my house?
Because it probably would have taken, fucking, who knows, mate. You know how car stuff is. Wait till you work.
Got everything on my
Wait
house.
till you work on your car, mate. You got something to do. Everyone says it's gonna take 30 minutes. Or no. Or
Dude,
no.
I tried to put my
Oh, no.
exhaust on my car and it took me 3 days.
Exactly. There you go. See.
Because my bolt seized on my turbo.
Like I thought, doing my
So when
exhaust
I
was
went to
gonna
do
take
it,
like
first did it, took
half a day.
all my
Took the
exhaust
whole
from
day.
like rear to the engine, got to the final one, fucking couldn't get it off. So I had to put the exhaust back on
Yeah. Pretty sick spot. It's like a big dam. What's that, dog? Hot damn. Day 2, boys. Woo. Let's get it. It's fucking hot here. It's like 30 degrees, I think. Preparing for summer. So, let's recap. We couldn't get it lined up. Like, it kind of dips down here. So, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that gap. Obviously, this isn't bolted up. We didn't take. There's like the styrofoam. So this styrofoam piece we took out because it fit better, but I'm gonna chuck that back on. I think that will help. So yeah, nearly fit both sides. This fits great. This side. I'll probably get rid of. There's like 2 plastic things. I don't know what they're for. Can't see it, but yeah, it's just weird. And also need to bolt up. We've got these things. So I'm gonna leave it in the sun for like 30. Make it nice and juicy and flexible again. And then back to it. It do be looking spicy though. Holy shit. I have mad hay fever right now. But I got it. So, there it is. I fucking love it. Holy shit. This looks insane. Legit. The fucking Zambo. Oh my god. Fitment issues? Yeah. I honestly think that's just polyurethane. Like as soon as we put on this fit, this was perfect. That was okay. We had a problem like right here, there was a gap, but I left it in the sun so much. It's 30 degrees Celsius here. And I just absolutely yanked it, like grabbed it from here and here and just pulled it. Try to match up to the holes. It's not perfectly in the holes, especially this one. The other side's way better, but yeah, it's just so hard. I'll see if they can do anything when they get it painted. I'm gonna ditch the screws and get the quick release as well. Maybe in red, spice it up, you know. The lip is cool too. It came with the brackets. They're installed like a little V, can't really show you, but once that's in, so the bracket is like inside the lip, and then yeah, once you put the fender liner, it's pretty good, pretty sturdy. So I'm fucking stoked. This looks insane. That was really hard. I'm actually dead. But holy shit, dog. Thumbnail? Oh yeah, I think so. I don't know, it makes the wheel look way better too. God damn. I'm gonna install the license plate brackets. Oh damn. Number plate is on. And we just get it painted. Yeah, I guess I'll have to book it in. Hopefully soon. Man, that was an experience. This is sick. Very sick. Well, yeah, I'll see you guys when we get it painted.